top news at this hour is the statue of Shaktiman now has been removed in Uttarakhand after all the preparations were made regarding the inauguration of Shaktiman's statue. The Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, Harish Rawat, declined to attend the function and inaugurate it. One statue was established at the police line itself and another at the Vidhan Sabha of Uttarakhand. Also, pundits were called and all necessary functions for the inauguration was done. However, after all this, finally the statue of Shaktiman has been removed from the spot. And what's most interesting is that sources have told India Today that the statue was removed after the Chief Minister's astrologer suggested that he should stay away from horses.
उत्तराखंड के मुख्यमंत्री जी ने एक तमाशा बना करके रख दिया है और अब वो हॉर्स ट्रेडिंग से लेकर के हॉर्स पॉलिटिक्स की ये पराकाष्ठा है उनकी। जिस रहस्यमय तरीके से आज रात को रिस्पना चौक से शक्तिमान की मूर्ति गायब हो गई, मूर्ति भाग गई वहां से, तो हमें यह लगता है ये उसी घटिया पॉलिटिक्स का एक और हिस्सा है।
Dilip is joining us for more on the story. Now, Dilip, it is a brazen insult to how Shaktiman had caught the national fancy, the way he was brutally beaten up. He still fought the odds to live on. It was a tragic end to his life, and at least what the Chief Minister could have done is to pay tribute to his life.
Absolutely, Devina. We should not forget the date when Shaktiman was injured by the BJP leader. And after some days, he died. He was the center of the politics in Uttarakhand, and finally the statue of Shaktiman removed suddenly. Devina.
Absolutely, and Dilip, also the BJP government at that time, facing a lot of flack, had decided that they will rename the intersection. They would also install this memorial of Shaktiman at that spot. But now it's absurd that how an astrologer's advice reportedly, the Chief Minister Harish Rawat has decided not to go and attend even the inauguration and remove the statue.
See, both the parties played politics on Shaktiman, and somebody told, as per our sources, somebody told the Chief Minister that you should stay away from this horse. Then finally, Chief Minister said that we are not going to inaugurate the statue.
And it continues to create more controversy, and it is shameful to see that how the Chief Minister and the state government right now is behaving after they had decided to pay tribute to Shaktiman. The controversy was there, political pressure was there. They decided that they would install Shaktiman's statue. They would rename the intersection also after the brave horse. But now, not only the statue has been removed, the Chief Minister refused to attend the inauguration, all because his astrologer advised him to do so.